Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone meets the basics, iOS 15 or later, and at least 100 MB free. Once done, open the App Store, search for Microsoft Teams, and tap Install. Make sure you have your work or Microsoft account credentials at hand so you don't pause mid-flow. You're taking the first actionable step now, installing and launching the app, so you're set to move straight into signing in without detours or delays. You tap Sign In and type your full work or Microsoft email address, then choose work or school account if prompted. That decision routes you to proper authentication. Next, enter your password, and when asked, complete multi-factor authentication, approve the push, enter a code, or use an authenticator app. Make sure to allow necessary permissions like notifications and calendar access so Teams integrates with your device. You finish by setting your profile name and photo, enabling notifications, and syncing calendars for meeting alerts. Once configured, run a quick test call to confirm microphone and camera permissions work. Make adjustments in settings if needed. If sign-in fails, first check your password and internet, then try resetting the password or force quitting and reinstalling the app. If MFA blocks you, contact IT to re-register. This wraps setup and gives you one clear troubleshooting action to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.